everyone, how's everyone going? So today we're going to be doing a nice purple slash lilac look. So the product that we're using first is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in medium brown. And we're just doing that, and I firstly brushed through my brows and then I went in with the product and put it on the lower end of my eyebrows, so towards your nose, and then brushing it, placing the product there with a line and then brushing through with it. And then I am just filling up the gaps that I have on my eyebrows. I usually find it's where my arch is, like that's where I find the most amount of gaps, just where it peaks. As well, I'm doing the other side as well, and I'm just placing the product there, and I'm I'm gonna accentuate my eyebrow just a tad. So I'm just going to place a little bit of the product right at the tail of my eyebrow, and I'm brushing through towards the growth of the hair, like how the hair grows. So if my hair grows upwards, brushing it upwards. If it goes sideways, brushing it sideways, so it's all nice and precise. And now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Drama in dark brown. And I'm just it's a gel consistency, like a nice liquid gel. It's a liquid and it sets into a gel. That's what I'm trying to say. Yay. So we're just quickly placing that on our eyebrows to make sure it all nice and sets. And it sits nicely throughout the day. I find this lasts about like maybe 10 hours. Yeah, I really enjoy the product, and I'm only using a little bit, so I'm only using like one pump, and then putting it on my eyebrows and brushing that through. And so today we're going to be using the Smashbox Petal Metal eyeshadow palette. And I'm using the colour Nude Rose. We got there, peoples. And I'm putting that on the outer V of my eye, and then blending it upwards and then into the crease. But I'm kind of doing it like messily, so it doesn't really matter as long as the product's where you need it to be. And if it's okay, if it's like messy, you can go back and clean it up if you need to. So I'm just going to be doing that, blending it towards this area, blending up and then acrosswards into my crease. I'm really focusing that product on the outer edges of my eyes, because that's where I want the product and how it looks. Like, it looks nice like that for my eye shape. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm blending it. And I'm making sure when I do this, I'm not picking up the product and then packing it right into the inner corner of my eye. I'm actually packing it on the outer and then blending it towards the inner corner of my eye, and then just where it needs to be. And yeah, just blending it however you want. And this is a nice Morphe fluffy brush that I'm using. And yeah, and this next colour, didn't make a mistake with, but made a little bit of an oopsie. The colour is Coffee Blossom, and I just used a dark colour, which I should have blended the two colours together, the Nude Rose and the Coffee Blossom, to make a nice kind of middle ground colour. But anyway, we're using a nice little brush. It's, I don't know what you call it. It's a nice brush. Nice pencil brush, and then quickly putting that where you'd put your eyeliner for your cat wings, doing that. And then I'm grabbing a compacted small fluffy brush and making sure I'm blending it just in the just at the top of my crease, blending it in my crease. And I'm using a nude, the first color that we used, which is the Nude Rose color, and then blending it so the two colors can combine together to make a nice middle ground color between the two, which I should have done in the first place. But yeah, we can make miracles work. It will look good, it's fine. So just a little bit more work. And then I'm into changing the colors up a bit. So I'm using the Nude Rose color, and then I'm using the original color that we used, which is the Coffee Blossom, and then changing in between the two, so it's a nice looking color, and I have control over it, and so it looks all nice and decent. And if you see me occasionally looking towards straight directly into your eyes, into your soul, that was not, I actually have a mirror right in front of me. Yeah, so I'm looking into it so to see how it looks in person, like in real life with the lighting. So yeah, and I'm just blending the eyeshadow outwards towards my V. And then I'm blending it. Oh, I'm just blending it. We're going to be here for days, honestly, guys. Yeah, we're just blending, making sure it looks good. Yeah. Continuing blending. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm changing between the two brushes. And one's the nude one that I'm using right now, and the other one, which is the smaller blending brush. And that one's the purple colour, so I'm blending between the two. So it looks nice and neat. So now I'm picking up the Coffee Blossom colour, and I'm just lining my upper eyelid with it. Yeah, so I'm just lining, I can't talk, I apologise. I'm just lining it. I'm only putting it on where my lash line is, I'm not extending it. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and it's a nice angled brush, if I didn't say that before. And then I just got some bed knife powder and brushing that under my eyes because I thought it was creasing. And yeah, so I'm doing that. And now I'm grabbing the colour Floral Support. Yep, Floral Support, and then I'm just packing that on with this. It's like a compacted fluffy brush, like, but it's really compacted in between like a fluffy brush, like a small fluffy brush, and a like flat brush, like, you know what I mean? Please know what I mean. And then I'm just putting that on my eyes, like from the inner corner to like the middle of your eye, and I'm just packing that in. It's a really nice colour. And then I'm grabbing that colour that we used on our eyelids and then mixing it with Opal Rose for the inner corner. And then I'm grabbing that nude rose colour and then putting it on my lower lash line and then blending it upwards towards my eyeshadow on my upper eyelid. And I'm just blending that so it's not too like heavy and it doesn't look too like drawn on, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does. And I'm just blending that. Yeah. So now I'm going to be grabbing a nice black eyeliner, and the brand is Rimmel London and it's called Soft Coal. That's the colour. I think it's just called Pure Black. And I'm just putting that where I put the eyeshadow before with the angled brush. So the nice Coffee Blossom colour, and I'm just putting that right on top of it so it sits nicely. I'm not extending it. It's just going to lay where the eyeshadow was. So I'm quickly just doing that. Oh yeah. From the inner corner, like get right into your inner corner where it's like, wait, I don't know. Yeah. Just do that. Yeah. And now I'm going to be grabbing, it's by the same brand, but I just couldn't find a picture, sorry guys. The Soft Coal Eyeliner by Rimmel again. It's the same product type, but just in a different colour, and this colour is called Pure White. And I'm just going to put this product on my, what's it called? Gosh, words just fly by. You know, in the waterline, that's it. And now I'm curling my eyelashes and to like pre-steps towards my mascara. And the mascara that I will be using is the Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline, and the colour is very black. Yeah, and I really like this mascara because it like extend your eyelashes, and I naturally have long eyelashes, so I just like using it. And now I'm putting some on my lower lash line, and I like having the wand up because it's easier to get to. Well, for me it is. And sorry the mascara wasn't extended as, like, the clip wasn't extended as long. It's because, like, I felt really uncomfortable, like, with the faces that I'm making. Anyway, now I'm using the Soap & Glory Solar Power Bronzer. Yep, and I'm just putting that on my cheeks, where the contour would go. And I'm also putting it on my chin, like, not called chin, it's called a jaw. There we go. We know anatomy. Then now I'm putting it on my jaw. It looks really light, but it's actually not. I'm doing it to what it looks like in person, and it's actually a little bit darker. And I'm putting some on my nose really quickly, giving my nose a little slight snatch. And putting more of that eyeliner. Putting white eyeliner makes your eyes look bigger, or a nude close to your skin tone, and makes it look lighter. So I'm just doing that quickly. And now I'm going to be putting on blush, and I'm using the Sleek blush in the color Rose Gold, and I'm just dusting that on my cheeks really lightly. It's not too pigmented, which is good for a blush, so you don't put too much on and make yourself look like a clown. But anyway, we're grabbing some highlighter, the Sleek makeup highlighter. I'm not sure of the color, but it was that orange color that we used, and it doesn't look that orange when you place it on, so don't worry. And now I'm using the Napoleon Divine Goddess lipstick, and the color is Athena, and it's like got this nice shimmer to it. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Sorry for being awkward, and see you later. Bye.